Preventing further potholes in your driveway starts with catching and fixing small failures before they become large ones. Start by inspecting the driveway every month, walking the surface to feel for soft spots, and running your hand over cracks to detect widening. Clean the surface thoroughly with a stiff broom and a garden hose so debris and vegetation do not hide or worsen defects. For hairline and small cracks under 1/4 of an inch wide, use a cold pour crack filler or a latex concrete patch applied with a putty knife, and allow proper curing time according to the product label. For depressions or potholes, square the edges with a chisel to create a clean area, remove all loose material, compact the base with a tamper or a piece of 2x4, and then fill with a hot or polymer modified patch mix, layered and compacted in thirds to avoid future settling. Address runoff and pooling by checking slopes, move soil or add a slotted drain or gravel swale to keep water away from the pavement edge, where freeze and thaw cycles cause the most damage. Finally, seal the driveway every 3 to 5 years with an asphalt or concrete sealer appropriate to your surface, which reduces water infiltration and ultraviolet breakdown and extends the service life. Homeowners often wait until a pothole is large and then try to fill it without fixing the base, which leads to rapid reappearance. So always excavate and compact the subbase first. Another common mistake is using small amounts of cold mix as a long-term fix, which can wash out. So use properly rated hot or polymer patch materials for load-bearing areas. People also neglect drainage and allow water to pool at the pavement edge, so inspect grading and install simple drains or adjust downspouts to move water away from the driveway. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project guidance for jobs like driveway maintenance. Our community discussion boards let us and other members trade tips, ask questions, and find people who can help with preventive maintenance and repairs.